So we've taken the body of the valve off, and the main problem is this stem. Inside this stem is a couple of rubbers, and that stops the water passing by the actual body of the valve between the shaft and the body. It's easier just to replace the whole unit, which we're now going to have a look at in this vast array of bits and pieces we use for property management, and see what we have. So in this case of the worn stem and rubbers, I've taken another stem, I've measured it off already, they're the right ones, changed the bottom valve stop, all works lovely, replaced it, new circlips, new rubbers, we're back and running. Another good tip with these is that when this has been fitted, somebody's used horsehair and paste, whatever, that is not necessary at all. All valves, all of them, come with a fibre washer, so that when you're putting it back together, you only need a fibre washer. You do not need any hemp hair, you don't need any PTF tape, shouldn't be necessary. Only as a plan B if you haven't got the correct fibre washer. Okay, we have the new valve in, done, rebuilt one. As you can hear, it works perfectly. So we're just going to put the shield back on and we're done.